Hi guys, so if you have a Moniepoint POS, I'm going to show you how to receive, your alert. The way you receive your alert, maybe somebody transfer money to you and your POS do and you receive it from your POS. So I also want to show you how you can receive it from your phone and confirm it from your phone, even if you are not with your POS, but maybe someone sent money to the POS account number or your POS is off. Sometimes the power can go off and you need to receive payments from people in your shop. So I'm going to show you how to use your phone to do that. So stay with me. So guys, open your Moniepoint app. There are two ways to do this and I'm going to show you the two ways. So I'm going to log into the app. When I log in, the shorter way is this: go to more. When you go to more, it's going to open you up to this other place where you see approvals. So you click on approvals. So when you click on approvals, it's going to ask you, whether you want to approve your staff or you want to approve a POS payment. So if you go to staff approval, if you have a staff that needs a permission for something, that is where you can approve them. But I'm going to POS payment because that's what I want to show you how to approve. So click on POS payment approvals. Then you see a pending transfer. Then you can see the approved transfers. You can use it to track the client transfers. And also if you go to pending transfers, click on this check mark, the green one, and click on accept transfer. So you'll be able to accept it and you can see, it will say transfer approved. So the second method, which is a bit longer but has more things in it, is this: click on more. When you click on more, instead of clicking on approvals, that you click on POS. So now this one is going to contain all the details of your POS. You can click on view, or if you have more than one POS terminals, but click on the second view or to view all recent POS transactions. So you can do a lot of things here. That is why this one is more, but what we're interested in POS transactions. That is what I want to show you. So click on POS transfers. After clicking on POS transactions, and it will open up. If you have, look at a pending transfer, you can, click on accept, make a decision and click on accept, and that is it. So if you have the main POS on itself, click on more on the main POS terminal. Maybe your POS is on, then go to POS transfer. You will see, you see where you see pending, accepted and all. So click on pending, click on it. You see where you have to accept or reject. So when you accept or decline, if you accept, it will come to your phone or your account. So no more excuses of any kind. So I want to ask you which Moniepoint video you like to see next, because I have a lot to talk about when it comes to this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See ya.